I removed its body and it was actually red first. So then I painted it in black and drilled holes over here and put LED lights over. Welcome back to the channel everyone. So we are planning to shift from Goa and that is why a lot of stuff has come out. We are clearing stuff out, we are removing the stuff. So like properly cleaning everything, and a lot of good things have come out that are telling a story. So like I'm just making this video so that I can share that story with you guys, how I started, what I did before I started building bikes. Like this whole addiction of building bikes, making your own garage, building a business is way ahead. And like it started I think in I think it started around 5th standard, so it's been there quite some long, and it's something that I'm really passionate about doing. Okay, so this was the seat of the Ghost Rider Activa modified Ghost Rider bike which I had built. So it was like the first video I've ever put on YouTube, and this was the seat. And put these graphics, put a Ferrari sticker over here, put these stickers. I even drilled holes over here and put LED lights. Over here also were LED lights. The underbody was full of LED lights. Yeah, see, I put MCL inside and put LED lights. So this craze is way beyond anything. So this was some robot which I had made earlier. So a platform, add a DC motor and try to add those wishbone mechanisms to steer left and right, but that was also a flop. Lot of flop plans. Wow! आम्ही गोवेकार आम्ही ट्रक घेऊन भोवता. Wow! 1,000 rupees in the year of 2005. Now in the year of 2005, a parent gifting their child a toy of 2,000 rupees is in itself is a world record. So like yeah dude, very grateful I had this toy. This was the real big beast toy which I had. So we have reached Madgaon with the car for some work related things, and yeah, the car is working absolutely fine. There are no problems, no nuts and cracks, anything. The weather in Goa is beautiful. Car is parked over there. And look what is parked over here. Oh my god, what a gem of a bike. Oh damn, water fell on my phone. Oh shit. Oh my god. I think these bikes, you know, these are the bikes, dude. Even if like little bit, it will take what, another 2,000 rupees to start it up. It will still start, I'm telling you. Those bikes are built like a legend. They will start right away. Put some spark plugs. I know a friend who does those bikes actually, but I think it is of some owner over here. Okay, so we are leaving now. Okay, so we did one work which was in Madgaon, and now we are leaving to Satarda near the border. Not gonna cross the border because it's a rental car, you shouldn't cross the border. But Satarda, it's very close to the border. From there, there's one more work, and yeah, then we are done for the day. Okay, so we are here on the Atal Setu bridge. The time right now, it is 7:15 PM. Very beautiful dude, this Atal Setu bridge is. And Goan sunset though, no challenge. Wow. Car is performing great. So we have a long drive to catch up towards Satarda to pick up the CNC machines and all the machines that I had built, the final year project. Look at this. Whoa. This looks so cool. Whoa. You tell me another state that has such a cool bridge. Hey, I'm Goekar. Okay, so the entire Mapsa road is total ghosted out. Like you cannot see anything. There are like big potholes, Mare, which will take you direct into Patal. Big potholes. And because there are no street lights and stuff, the visibility is really low. But what you can do, I have to complete the work that I had planned for today. So yeah. Okay, so we are almost in the Pedne area. Whoa, traffic, police, oh my god, police. Yeah, I'm the boss, I'm the best. I'm the boss, I'm the best. They are not moving also. ओ भाई ये हमारा रास्ता है भाई, ये तुम्हारा टाइम नहीं इधर आने का. Okay, so the time right now is 8:17. So yeah, it's pretty much in the night, and today it's like, you know, if today I didn't do the work, then the work wouldn't have happened. The project, see, that machine was in Maharashtra since like 6 months. No, so not 6 months, 4 months. Because of lockdowns, this, that, I couldn't work on the machine only. So yeah, today is going to be a long night back home. It's the night time. I always get scared, you know. I'm going into a turn and suddenly someone's standing in the middle. Whoa! So Pritesh is here with our CNC parts. Pritesh the Chor. Rata Maharashtra and yellow Goacha border and Chor.
Yeah, frame.
He's a frame. Chor from Maharashtra. Okay, so finally a CNC machine frame is over here. Thank you so much. तुका डिस्टर्ब करपाक सॉरी इतके लेट नायटीक. तुका आपले आपले कामं असता. चल बॉय बाय. महाराष्ट्राचो रावडी बॉय येला गोव्यान. Okay, so this is a chair made by Pritesh by himself in the fabrication shop. बरी आहे ना. हे स्क्वेअर डिझाईन पण बरी आहे.
गुगलची गुगल
डिझाईन स्टडी असा बसून बीन पयला तुवें.
एका मी ऑफिस चेअर घे टायप क्वेश्चन करपाचें तेका.
चल थँक्स आणून देवपाक. मेळया सुसेगाद वस. भूत बीत पयलो जाल्यार राव नाका. Time right now, it is around 9 o'clock, so we better get leaving because Panjim abhi bahut dur hai bhai. Okay, so we have made it over to Porvorim. It's been a long night of work, completing stuff. So since we have made it over Porvorim, our plan was to have some. We ordered food over here. Vada Kobada Asli Kolhapuri family restaurant. Cause I am Kolhapuri baby and we eat mutton. Okay, so we are on the return journey back through the beautiful Atal Setu bridge. Goa, lovely as usual. The lights and stuff, very nice. Wow. Oh boy, khadda in the middle of the road. Are you kidding me? Huh? In the middle of a highway, Dipan. That to a newly built highway where people will come on high speeds. Oslo khadda hai to gero tire rim. God. Khadda on the middle of the road. Leh Ladakh vibes yo. Oh my god. Leh Ladakh vibes yo below the Panjim bridge. Leh Ladakh vibes. Look at this. Yeah, mini Leh Ladakh adventure. Second gear. Hey, Innova gela mare 3.2 liter turbo diesel. Turbo diesel power. Turbo diesel. We are opening the mutton party. Roti. Panda rasa. Tamda rasa. I think this is tamda. No, this is not. सोलकडी ऑल्सो हांव इज बरी सर्वीस आहा मरे राईस ऑल्सो and this is the mutton kolhapuri. I think this is mutton kolhapuri. This is mutton kolhapuri ka side piece. Delicious. It's good, huh? It's good. So the time on the first day of packing the house is 3 p.m. in the night, and yeah, pretty much packed the house. More packing to be done tomorrow as well. Yeah, dude. Super tired. It is dark outside. Literally no one is there. Literally no one is there outside except the gully dogs.